Your life is all about energy. The more energy you get out of your body, the more living you get out of your life. You've made up your mind, and you're not going to miss a thing. You're smart, so why not drink different? Verve will help you get where you want to be.
Hey guys, I'm Sarah, and I guess you're wondering what's up with Verve. Well, first, it's an awesome energy drink.
Packed with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients from exotic fruits, Verve's cool fizz, smooth tropical flavor, and radically different formula gives you the energy kick you're looking for and all the good stuff your body's screaming for.
And being different is not just about choosing the right ingredients. It's also about harnessing the power of all this good stuff in one can. Let's hear from the guy that made this whole thing possible, BK.
When I came up with the concept to create the world's healthiest energy drink, I went immediately to Dr. Wong. He's our MD on staff. He got his MD in China, his PhD at LSU, so he's got this Eastern-Western philosophy towards wellness. And he also created the Vima formula, the world's most powerful liquid antioxidant. Gave him this concept, he ran with it to his exacting standards, found the canning facility that could manufacture the product. In fact, it's a cold-filled process that literally puts the product in the can, specially lined can, at a little over 30 degrees. And the reason that's so important is we want to protect the vitamins, the minerals, the phytonutrients, all the good stuff in there that makes this formula so powerful. And so as he went through this process, did all the testing, and we were able to create a product that is truly unique in the marketplace.
So, Dr. Y figured out a way to protect the goods by using a proprietary process and a special can lining so you can enjoy the full force of what Verve has to offer. And talk about a marketplace. Last year, in the U.S. alone, almost 262 million gallons of energy drinks were consumed. This $5 billion marketplace is predicted to double in just the next 3 years. And when you think about a worldwide marketplace, it won't just be the caffeine keeping you up at night. You see, Verve gives you more than just an insanely healthy energy drink. It also gives you an insanely profitable business opportunity.
So you think this Verve is tasty? Wait till you get a load of this opportunity. This whole word-of-mouth buzz concept that we utilize is diametrically opposed to what my competitors do. You see, they spend millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions of dollars each year in the hopes that you come and try their product. And what I want to do is I want to take my worldwide advertising budget and I want to pay people just like you when you get excited about this product and you start talking it up to your friends.
And your friends will be listening. I mean, when you think about it, who wouldn't want to listen to the concept of having more energy, better health, and the opportunity to cash in on an exploding multi-billion-dollar marketplace right from their own home or apartment or dorm? Heck, in a wireless world, you can do this business from anywhere.
I think one of the coolest things about this Verve opportunity is that we give you a website absolutely free. Just sign up for Verve for AutoShip. And then we have creative ways to be able to help you drive traffic to that website. And this website really does the majority of the work for you. Helps you tell the story, collects the money, ships the product, tracks the bonuses. All that kind of stuff is done for you, and it's done for you absolutely free of charge.
Hi guys, let's hear what people like me and you are saying about Verve and the Verve opportunity.
When I worked at a video store, I could work as hard as I want, and I would still get paid the same amount, no acknowledgement. But with Verve, I can work hard and get acknowledged for it. Right now, I'm getting paid about anywhere from $800 a week to $1,200 a week, and then on top of that, bonuses.
As opposed to other drinks, I think that this will taste a lot better. Other drinks, I had a lot of hard times drinking them, and I don't enjoy the taste, but this one I actually do. I've been a waitress forever, so this is very different and a lot easier way of making money, and I can make my own schedule.
The opportunity, in my own words, is one, financial freedom. Two, it's also a great opportunity because I'm able to bring family members and friends into the business that may not have ever been presented with an opportunity like this before. I never have been one to want a boss to answer to. That doesn't mean that I'm not disciplined, but I just like my freedom.
Oh, it's awesome. This opportunity brings the chance to work with whoever you want to work with. Actually, my brother got started. We're doing this every day. I'm talking to him more now than I ever have in the past, recently since we moved out of the house and everything. So I would say, to someone new looking at this opportunity, I'd say get on the train right now. This is happening. Everybody knows how big energy drinks are. People are drinking them, so why not get paid for a good product that's helping people?
Oh, you gotta get in right now. You got to. It's the next biggest thing. It's the right product, the right time.
You need to get involved right now. This will change your life.
So let me get this straight. Verve's a great tasting energy drink like nothing else on the market. You'll give me a free marketing website that pretty much runs my new business. And when I tell my friends about Verve, I have the opportunity to cash in. Sounds awesome. All right, what do I do next?
Hey, whether you're 14 or 40, this product and this opportunity fits your lifestyle. And this is what I need you to do next. I need you to hook up with the person that introduced you to Verve. I need you to get some product in your hands. I need you to get your website set up, and then I need you to turn a few of your friends onto this product and watch your business explode. It's just that easy, because this opportunity allows you to do whatever you want in life and be able to be rewarded for doing that. So, hey, be smart, drink different, get started now, and it's gonna be the best decision you've ever made.
Verve is passion. Verve is lifestyle. Verve is life-changing.
Escape the ordinary. It's time for something different. An energy drink so healthy, it's sick. Verve. Be smart. Drink different.